Understanding, reach someone's ears, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to explore what it means when something reaches someone's ears. Idioms are a key part of mastering English, as they enrich your conversations and help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. When we say that something reaches someone's ears, we're not talking about sound waves traveling through the air. Instead, this phrase is an idiom that means a piece of information, news, or gossip has been heard by someone. It's often used to highlight that the person was not supposed to know this information, making it a bit more intriguing or secretive. To help you understand this idiom better, let's look at some examples. Example 1. The news of the company merger finally reached the employees' ears last week. Here, it means the employees have finally heard about the company merger. Example 2. Be careful what you say, it might reach his ears. This warns that someone might hear something they're not supposed to, possibly leading to unintended consequences. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, fitting into various contexts while maintaining its core meaning. Incorporating idioms like reach someone's ears into your conversations can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here are a few tips. Use it when you want to emphasize that someone has gained knowledge of something, especially if it's through indirect means or if it's somewhat secretive or surprising. Pair it with words that enhance the secretive or unexpected nature of the information being shared, such as secretly, unexpectedly, or finally. Practice using it in different tenses to fit the context of your conversation, whether you're talking about past events, present situations, or future possibilities. And that's a wrap on reach someone's ears. We hope this video has cleared up the meaning and usage of this idiom for you. Remember, mastering idioms is a fantastic way to enrich your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to incorporate them into your daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.